Hello and welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to share a trade that I took on GBP USD on 18th of September on Wednesday 2024, and this trade was approximately 9 hour. So I always start my day by marking out the liquidity on the higher time frames. By higher time frames I mean not more than 4 hour time frame. So what you can see here, this is the previous day high and this is the last week's high. So let's mark this out. So this is what we are targeting for this trade. So let's go down to 5 minutes time frame. So as you all know, this is the Asian range and I do not recommend trading during the Asian hours. And this is the London Open, and this is, let me delete this first, and this is the New York Open. So let's first mark out the accumulation phase. So this is the previous day's high. This is also a liquidity point that we can target. So there was no trade during the London Open, but what you can see, the market is trending upwards. This is the accumulation phase. Okay, so let's see what market is trying to show us. Okay, so this is the POS. I'm talking from the retail point of view. So this is, I'm also a retail trader. Okay, so don't confuse, this is just the term that I use for strategy that the retail traders usually use. So this is the POS market is showing us, and so once the market reach this point, they see another, everyone sees another fake POS and they are like, let's sell the market from this. Stop goes above here and everyone wants to see another lower low, because that is what the market is showing us right now. But we do not trade that way. I usually only trade during these 2 hours, London Open and New York Open. I do not trade anything in between. So let's mark this as fake POS. Once the market breaks this low, it again goes into another accumulation phase. This is a very small accumulation phase. So let's go down to 1 minute time frame. Where is it? Okay, what can you see here? Triple bottom. So everyone is trying to buy from these points, and the stops are most likely below these lows. So this is the accumulation phase on the lower time frame. Okay, once the market is done stopping the early buyers out, it gives a break of structure to the upside on the lower time frame, and my entry was right about this. Stop goes below this, entry right above this high. So this was only 3.3 pip stop loss, and my target was this previous week's high. So the trade idea is very simple. You wait for the accumulation phase, let the market, first you have to be in line with the liquidity. I was only looking for buy entries because the nearest liquidity that we can see is over here, the external liquidity. So my target were these external liquidity and I was looking for buys. So this was the perfect example of accumulation manipulation, and this is the distribution phase. Okay, you only enter the trade once you see an internal break of structures, which was right over here. Once the manipulation is done, you wait for internal break of structure and then you enter the trade. Let's see on 5 minutes. Yeah, you could have also taken the trade from this 5 minutes POI, and stop loss was approximately 1.5 pip, but sometimes market does not come down so low and you might miss the entry. So this was the trade I took on Wednesday, 18th of September. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed the videos. See you in the next one.